Learn it like a kid. Hi, I am Professor Max, and this is my lab.
Good morning, Danny. Good morning, Frank. My name is Frank. This is my house. Hi, friends. I am Danny, and this is my apartment. And we both reside in the neighborhood of Professor Max. Look at that, that's an airplane. Come on, Frank, let's catch the plane. Oh yeah, you are right.
Oh, Danny, are you okay?
Oh, Professor Max, we were trying to catch that plane.
Come on, let's move to my lab. Danny, how is my lab?
Wow, it's amazing.
So you were trying to catch the plane with a bicycle?
Yes, Professor.
Wait, I will show how the plane flies. Okay kids, there comes our plane. Airplane body is built mostly in aluminium, a strong yet lightweight metal. The body is designed in such a way to move easily through air, and it is called aerodynamic shape. The body of the aircraft is basically divided into three. The front part of the aircraft, where the pilot sits and controls the aircraft, is called cockpit. The middle part of the aircraft, where the passengers are accommodated, is called fuselage, and the back side of the aircraft, obviously, it is a tail. The wings are attached to both sides of the fuselage. The engine of the aircraft is mounted under the wings. Okay, now let's see the main controls. The flaps are used to extend the wingspan in order to generate extra lift while landing and takeoff. The ailerons are used to control the sideways rotation of the aircraft. The rudder is used to control the sideways movement of the aircraft. And the elevators are used to control the up and down rotation of the aircraft. Okay kids, now let's watch a takeoff of our aircraft. First, the engine is speeding up. Now the flaps are deployed. Landing gears up, and wow, our plane is in the air. Isn't it amazing? Let's watch it from a different angle. Engine is speeding up. Flaps deployed. Elevators moving up. Flaps retreat. And that's it. Okay, now let's find how all of this happens. When the engine plates rotate, air in front is sucked in and burn the fuel and produce a high pressure jet through the backside of the engine. This will create a forward thrust to the aeroplane. The air passing through the upper side of the wing need to travel more distance than that passing through the lower side and creates a pressure difference which will create a lift. The lift will increase when flaps are deployed for takeoff and ultimately lift the plane up when elevators are moved. Now let's see the landing of our airplane. During landing, the takeoff process is repeated in reverse order. First the engine slows down, then the flaps are deployed. Landing gears are down. And slowly come to halt. Okay kids, that's how an airplane flies.
Thank you, Professor Max.
In the next episode, we will be coming back with another interesting story. So don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So it's time to go now. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.